The Earth's rotation is slowing down, so a day used to be shorter than it is today. About 620 million years ago, a day on Earth was only about 21 hours long. Welcome to Rewrite Info Station. Time is a fundamental property of the universe, and it is essential for our understanding of reality. Time is also essential for many scientific and technological applications, such as navigation, scheduling, and communication. In scientific terms, time is the progression of events from the past, through the present, into the future. It is a measure of how long something takes or how much has happened. The concept of time has evolved over time. In ancient times, people thought of time as a cyclical phenomenon, with the same events repeating themselves over and over again. However, with the development of science, people came to understand that time is a linear progression, with events happening one after the other. What are time zones and why are they important? Time zones are a system that divides the globe into 24 standard time zones, each of which is 1 hour ahead of the next. This system is used to coordinate activities and communication around the world. Time is measured in a variety of ways, including seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. The most common way to measure time is with a clock. Clocks use a variety of mechanisms to keep track of time, such as pendulums, springs, and electronic circuits. The first time zones were introduced in the 19th century, as railways and other forms of transportation made it possible for people to travel long distances quickly. Before time zones, each city or town kept its own local time, which could vary by several hours from one place to the next. This caused confusion and problems for travelers and businesses. The first time zone system was introduced in 1884 at the International Meridian Conference in Washington, D.C. The conference established the prime meridian, which is the line of longitude that passes through Greenwich, England, as the 0 point for timekeeping. Longitude and latitude are two systems of coordinates that are used to locate places on Earth. Longitude is a measure of how far east or west a place is from the prime meridian, which is an imaginary line that passes through Greenwich, England. Latitude is a measure of how far north or south a place is from the equator, which is an imaginary line that circles the Earth halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. The time zone at 0 degrees longitude is called Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, which is the primary time standard by which the world regulates clocks and time. Time zones west of UTC are designated with negative numbers, and time zones east of UTC are designated with positive numbers. The Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours. The Earth's rotation causes the Sun to appear to move across the sky from east to west. As the Earth rotates, each place on Earth experiences a day and a night. The length of the day and night varies depending on the place's latitude. Places near the equator have days that are about 12 hours long and nights that are about 12 hours long. Places near the poles have days that are much longer than nights in the summer and nights that are much longer than days in the winter. Some countries have multiple time zones, such as India, which has 3 time zones. This is often done to accommodate the different needs of different regions of the country. The relationship between longitude and time is based on the Earth's rotation. How did people in the past measure time? In the past, people used different methods to see time depending on their needs and available technology. Sundials. Sundials use the position of the sun to tell the time. They were one of the earliest timekeeping devices and were used by many cultures around the world. Hourglasses. Hourglasses use the flow of sand to measure time. Water clocks. Water clocks use the flow of water to measure time. Mechanical clocks. Mechanical clocks use gears and weights to keep time. Digital clocks. Digital clocks use electronic circuits to display the time. They are becoming increasingly popular as they are more accurate and convenient than mechanical clocks. There are many unanswered questions about time, such as why it flows in one direction, whether it is possible to travel through time, and whether there are multiple dimensions of time. What do you think? Is time travel possible? Time travel is a concept that has been explored in science fiction for a long time, but most scientists think it's just a fantasy. There's no scientific evidence to support the existence of time travel, and the laws of physics as we understand them seem to prohibit it. But some physicists believe that time travel might be possible under very specific circumstances. For example, some believe that it might be possible to travel through time by traveling faster than the speed of light. Others believe that it might be possible to create wormholes, which are tunnels through space-time, that could be used to travel to different points in time. If time is a dimension, then it should be possible to travel through it just as we can travel through the three spatial dimensions. Ultimately, the question of whether or not time travel is possible is up for debate. And it might be one of the great mysteries of the universe that we never solve. The philosophical argument for time travel is fascinating, even though it faces challenges from physics and paradoxes. It reminds us that we don't fully understand time. Imagine that you could travel back in time and change one small thing. For example, you could stop a historical figure from being assassinated. But if you did that, then the world might be a very different place. Maybe your favorite movie or book would never have been written. Maybe you wouldn't even be born. This is a paradox because it seems to lead to a contradiction. If you change one small thing in the past, then the present would be very different. But if the present is different, then you couldn't have traveled back in time to change the past in the first place. There are a few different ways to try to resolve this paradox. One way is to say that time travel is impossible. Another way is to say that there are some things that you can't change, even if you travel back in time. And yet another way is to say that there are multiple timelines, and that if you travel back in time, you create a new timeline where the historical figure is not assassinated. Ultimately, the grandfather paradox is a mystery that has no easy answer. It is a reminder that time travel is a complex and fascinating concept, and that we don't fully understand it. Time is relative. This means that the passage of time is not the same for everyone. For example, Astronauts in space experience time more slowly than people on Earth. The concept of time is deeply intertwined with religion and spirituality in many cultures around the world. And the eternal. Time is a big topic. We could talk about it for days. It's something that we all take for granted, but it's also something that's really mysterious. We measure it in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, and even centuries. But what is it really? And how does it work? So, in the coming days, let's explore the concept of time in more detail. We'll talk about the different theories of time, the way that time is measured, and the impact that time has on our lives. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Rewrite Info Station for more fascinating topics.